Hello guys and welcome to TechRix tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to send a document on WhatsApp from PC. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our WhatsApp software. And once you now open the WhatsApp software, all we have to do is to go on the conversation that we want to send the document. So let's say for example, this is the account that we want to send the document. So the next thing that we need to do is to click this clip icon right here on the bottom, which says attach. So just click this one right there. And once you click that, you will have a bunch of options that we can send. So just choose the document. And then once you click that, you will now be here on your file explorer. So just choose the file or document that you want to send. So let's say for example that we want to send this one. So all we have to do is to double click it. And then as you can see right there, we can now send this one right there and then just click send. And then as you can see right there, we now have sent a document on WhatsApp. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.